Hey, what's up, everybody? Shit, I'm just chilling on my end. Up at 5:45 in the morning. Y'all see it? Got the whole house to myself. Just me, the piranhas. Y'all see them? Y'all want something to eat? I'm getting ready to feed them in a minute. They eat shit like anything you put in there. Take care of them. Bo, come here, Bo. Come here, boy. Come here, Bo. Motherfucking pit bull asleep. This nigga ain't responding to the nigga. You alright over there? Alright, just me, the pit. Finna see what's on this TV. Catch me some news, man, on the big screen. That's about it. Check back with y'all in a minute, man. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do early this morning. I'm caught a flat. I gotta go take the wheel off. Take it to the tire shop, get another wheel. Ran over a screw, man. Alright, man. Hit y'all back later.